Hi there, Mike here from Easy Business App, and today I'm going to show you an introduction to Easy Cashflow in just 3 minutes. We'll show you the 2 ways you can process your bank transactions, which are either to categorize them or to match them, and we'll do a very quick overview of ins and outs in the system too. So let's flip to the app now. Everything I show you today is on the web. It's the same on mobile. I'm in Easy Cashflow. I have some bank accounts linked and some transactions to do. The first of which here I can see is from Bunnings. I click on it to process it. It takes me to the Categorize tab. Important thing on this screen, there's 2 tabs, Categorize or Match. We will always take you to the one where it's the best fit. In this case, there isn't an existing document to match to, so we've suggested a category because it's Bunnings here. We've suggested repairs, but let's say this is actually tools because I've purchased something, then I can just complete the data here and save that, and it's done. Adding receipt if I need. There's some more advanced options here, like splitting into multiple categories, assigning personal, or if you're not sure how to categorize something, you can mark it here, flag it later for your bookkeeper to look at. But for now, we'll just do a straightforward categorization. Save that. It disappears from my to-do list. It's moved into the All tab. So that was number 1, categorizing. The other thing you'll do with your transactions is you'll match them if they're an existing document. This is a $2,000 payment I've received into my account. It's from a customer. Yes, it is. Look, the system has identified. I'm not on the Categorize tab anymore. I've come over onto the Match tab, and I can see this is invoice 1 from my customer, Jane. If I'm not quite sure, I can just click to take a look. There it is. There's the invoice, and therefore I know this is what the payment's for. I can simply tick the box, save the match. Whole thing's done. Everything's gone from my to-do list. If I flip across to all, we should see those 2 documents. There they are. They've now been completed. Now what's actually happening in the background here is if I come over to this ins and outs tab, is every time something happens in Easy Cashflow that creates something in the system, it actually creates an in or an out doc. And sure enough, we can see those here. There's the invoice match that I did for $2,000, and here is that hammer drill transaction from Bunnings for $49. Now, you can also, in advance, create manual expenses. This is super useful if you want to quickly snap a receipt when you're out and about, so you're at the petrol station or you just purchased something. And we can do this again on the web app and on a mobile. I'm just showing you on our iOS app here. But if I click on create a manual expense, I can create an outgoing, choose where it was paid from, choose the category that it was, add the amount, and also snap a receipt, save that in the system, and that will sit there for me later until the bank transaction comes in, and then I can match it together. So that is that. That is the overview of Easy Cashflow. We have lots more information about this. There is a much longer video that goes into all the details about this, which I will link somewhere around here, wherever the YouTube link is. And if you have any more questions about this, feel free to reach out to our support team based in Sydney. You can always call us, email us, get us on live chat. But for now, nothing else for me to say. So check it out yourselves and take it easy.